Hello everyone. Through this video, let us explore the term rancidity beyond unpleasant smell and taste of fats and oils. Well, we have studied in class 10th chapter 1 that rancidity can be defined when fats and oils stay in open for long. They get oxidized and become rancid, that is old and stale, and their smell and taste changes. Rancidity is a very general term and refers to the spoilage of a food in such a way that it becomes undesirable and usually unsafe for consumption. Oxidation of fats is caused by a chemical reaction between fats and oxygen. In the process, the long-chain fatty acids are degraded and short-chain compounds are formed. One of the reaction products is butyric acid, which causes the typical rancid taste. Other type of rancidity, that is microbial rancidity, in which microorganisms such as bacteria, molds and yeast use their enzymes to break down chemical structures in the oil, producing unwanted odors and flavors. Water needs to be present for microbial growth to occur. What are the hazards of rancid fats? Number 1. The products of rancidity are toxic and causes food poisoning and cancer. Number 2. Rancidity destroys the fat-soluble vitamin like A, D, K and E. Third, rancidity also destroys the polyunsaturated essential fatty acids. Fourth, it causes economical loss because rancid fat is inedible. So, what about the prevention of rancidity? Firstly, avoidance of the causes like exposure to light, oxygen, etc. Secondly, removal of catalysts such as lead and copper that catalyze rancidity. Thirdly, addition of antioxidants to prevent peroxidation in fat. They include phenols, naphthols, tannins and hydroquinones. The most common natural antioxidant is vitamin E. Commonly used method to minimize rate of rancidity is packaging. Free space in the container should be kept to minimum to reduce the amount of oxygen and water vapor present. This is very important, and the best way is to use vacuum packaging or to fill the package with inert gases. For example, potato chips, which are usually packed in thick foil packets filled with nitrogen. Let us put some more light on the topic and understand rancidity with reference to the shelf life of a product. What do you mean by shelf life? Length of time a product can be stored until degradation occurs. Due to growth of organism, the foodstuff will gradually degrade. It will become undesirable and unfit for consumption. We can identify it on the basis of changes in flavor, smell, texture and appearance. Very important for you to note down that after the shelf life of a product has reached, the food undergo processes which results in rancidity. A small letter for the listeners. Thank you.